You'll hear everyone talk about how ads are the thing to get you leads in your business. And as a small contractor, that's not necessarily the way that you can go about doing this. You probably haven't gotten a ton of jobs yet. Maybe you're starting to get some, but they're not super consistent. So in this video today, I want to share with you how to beat ads, and that's through using organic content. Ads are not going to be the thing that saves your content and saves your business. Organic content is what's going to allow you to be able to get more business. And what I mean by organic content is posting things on social media and not having a paywall behind that. Yes, social media wants for you to pay for content, boosting it, or actually creating an ad, such as on a Facebook ad manager or Meta ad manager. But just posting on the platform itself consistently is really better for you, especially when you're first getting started with social media content. So don't waste your time on ads until you can get very consistent with posting and you get to a point where there's not additional lead flow coming from your content. So the first reason, besides what I explained about ads and organic content, of why you want to be doing organic content is that homeowners actually go scroll through social media for your progress pictures, for the before and afters, for the content that you're creating as a business. If they don't see that you're consistently doing project time and time again, and all they see is that one ad of the same exact project every time, they're gonna assume that you don't have a lot of clients, that you don't have a lot of projects. And in another video, we'll talk about how to make it look like you have more clients if you're just starting out without being shady. But this is why we want to be consistent, to prove that we have a business, to prove that we can do the work that we say we can do, and to also inspire those homeowners with ideas and show that we are the solution without directly selling them on that. The second reason why we want to do organic content versus ads is that ads, especially if you don't know what you're doing, will get more views, will get more clicks, will get more engagement, so to speak. But it's going to be random people, especially if you don't set it up right geographically. You as a home remodeler, you're in a pretty small area. You're not across the whole United States, but ads will allow you to go across the whole United States if you allow them to. But with organic content, you can be posting about what you're doing right there in that city, talking about things in the city that you're in, and those homeowners of those cities will start to look for people near me on Google Maps, and then they'll go look at your social media content. And so with that social media content, it will build up the trust. An ad, yes, you can get tons of more views and likes and engagement on because you're putting money behind it, but having that consistent content really is what builds that trust overall, not just some ad with a bunch of likes and views. And then point number three, which is the one I like the most, is that content is really a referral system in and of itself. It showcases who you are as a business, the work that you do, and allows you to share stories of the work you do and the clients that you work with. So there's many facets that you can do with content to make it different and engaging. We think about the realtor that all they do is post about the new house they have for sale. Super boring. So same thing if you just do before and after photos, it's gonna be super boring. So how can we make that look different? Maybe you're remodeling a bathroom and you throw a tile into the bathroom and it's just got nothing but sheetrock, everything's just taken out, and it looks like, oh my gosh, what happened here? And then as that tile hits the ground, all of a sudden, it's a beautiful masterpiece. It's the finishing touches of the bathroom that you did. And so you're able to showcase, hey, look, I can actually remodel a bathroom without saying it directly, because you're just showing a before and after in a video rather than a picture. You can also get the testimonials from clients about the experience. Some of the pain points. How long am I not gonna be able to use my bathroom for? What's gonna happen if something's misquoted, or I forgot something and I wanna add it later? What does that look like? Are there payment terms? Are you gonna get my house dirty? These are all things that you can talk about because your clients are going to be trying to educate themselves before they come to you directly. And your content will then just bring them to you naturally because they see what you're doing. They can trust trust you because time and time again, you are showing up on social media, showing the different projects, showing the different clients you're working with, and it just becomes this great referral system without putting ad spend behind it. And so if you're looking for help with content creation to create that machine that becomes a referral for you without putting ad spend behind it, my team can help you. Just send us a message and let us know that you need help with your content, and we'd be glad to help you out with it.